for teacher to call you. Oh, you get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball.
Oh, hold on to the ball.
Stay there. Stay there. Wait for teacher to call you, okay?
Beyonce, run the ball. Give it to teacher. Give it to teacher. Beyonce will roll the ball. Roll the ball.
Roll the ball.
Okay, let's try this. Lorenzo will roll the ball.
There, good job.
Good.
Javi, Javi.
Roll the ball.
Roll to teacher.
Javi will roll the ball. Oh no.
Roll. It's stuck.
Roll the ball. There you go. Now, Bea will roll the ball. Okay. Bea will roll the ball. Roll. Whoa!
Yay.
One more time. There.
Yay.
And this is Bobby's ball. Oh, what is inside my box?
Oh, you just wait, Jab. He's helping you.
Okay, let's move it to the center. Your toes. There you go. See your toes. And of course, your toes.
Hi.
Johnny, we have to count up. It's open. Oh, wow. Okay, get your instrument.
Get what you want, Jab.
Volume is the drum.
Wow, that's nice, Lorenzo. Javi, get your instrument, Jav. Javi.
Here's your partner, maracas. There. Oh, how about you want a crow sounder? Here.
Javi, you get.
This one for the crow sounder. Javi, you want like this? How about just the stick?
Stick with.
Careful there. Which one? Oh.
Javi. That one. That's nice, Jav.
This one. You know you can use this. I'll show you. May I borrow one? Javi, here. This one. Yeah.
Okay.
Or this one. This one is for this. There.
He only wants one.
There.
That's nice. Can you show me? How do you play with that? You make it sound. Sige nga. Good job. Good job. Oh, stay with the eyes. Stay with the eyes.
Put down the papers because you might poke yourself. Okay. We'll have instruments.
Oh, you play na. You play, Jab. Teacher. Follow the beat. Wow, that's nice, oh. You follow the beat, darling.